Hi everyone, it's Cheryl again. I'm here with my friends from Tatura Community House. We've got Adele, Taylor and Nadine.
We're excited to show you what you will be receiving when you register with the walking challenge.
We've got so many goodies and we've brought some young friends along with us to help us out.
Take it away, guys. So in your pack, you're firstly going to receive some colouring pages, so we'd love for you to colour them in and even send them back to us. Next we have some stickers and a surprise disc, and there'll be more information to come on that in the future. Then we have a badge and some cards that we want you to hand out to people. Some pencils and some bookmarks to be able to do the colouring and hand out also. And of course there's the FASD facts and also a fridge magnet. All of these goodies are about helping you to spread awareness about FASD. Now look at our t-shirts. If you are one of the first 50 to register, you could be wearing one of those t-shirts too. It's easy to register. Just scan the QR code on your screen or go to the website.